Individual Company Awards. New Building Construction Project of the Year, MC Green & Sons Headquarters. The new MC Green & Sons Headquarters is a 25,000 square foot office and warehouse space that includes a 5-bay repair shop, indoor form and equipment storage, on-site fueling system, open office space, collaboration areas, a full exercise facility, break room with outdoor seating, and recreational spaces for the staff. Having set the standard with their craftsmanship and work ethic for over 60 years, the company continues to look to the future of setting industry standards. The new headquarters will allow the company to continue to support the industry and build our communities. Contractor MC Green & Sons, Inc. Owner MC Green & Sons.